How much is it?
Dear lady, our company activity during...
I said, how much is the aerosol can?
Lady, what I mean is...
I just want to know how much is the aluminum aerosol can. I need to know now.
As you wish, $0.5 for one piece.
That's the right answer. I need 5,000 pieces. Send me the payment link.
Okay, lady. Just send it to you now. Please check it.
Okay, payment done. How many days to produce?
13 days.
Great.
By sea or by air?
By sea.
That's great. I will arrange it.
Okay, so what were you trying to tell me?
Oh, our company have an activity during 18 August to 18 October. Order discount is coming. Big promotion.
Oh, what? I require the...
Hello, this activity is over now.